this family and for raising such an amazing son. Really, we would not be here today if it was not for the two of you. Your hard work has definitely paid off, and Uncle, a special thank you goes out to you. You have done good. Marianne, Andrew, Setsu, and Deborah's whole family, really, thank you so much. I look so much forward to getting to know all of you better, and you have all made me feel so welcome and so part of the family. Thank you. To my mom and dad, thank you all for your hard work, for helping me and guiding me as I grew, but most of all, for loving me during those teen years when I know I was not easy to love. Your love and support has made me the woman that I am today, so thank you very much.
Yeah.
To my brother and my sister, Rihanna and Rumsey, thank you all for the adventures and for keeping me in line when I got too bossy, and for looking out for me when I needed it, even when I didn't even have to ask. For the laughs, for the jokes, for the pranks, I will really miss our day-to-day crazy antics. We really had so much fun over the years. Tanesha, Selma, Mommy Gazi, Borbol, Santa Aida, basically that whole entire deal over there. Thank you so much. Each and every one of you has played such an important role in my life. Whether it was fighting with me to take out my second piercing, or for taking me to my first swimming pool in Canada, Salwa, for picking me up from school, Mommy Zazi, or for single-handedly making sure Anna Nancy Santa Ida for always making sure I had the coolest dresses. Really, I'm really grateful to each and every single one of them. To my cousins and the rest of my family, thank you so much for bringing so much joy into my life. You guys bring so much depth and richness into my life that I cannot even explain. And, I mean, what would Christmas be like for that wrapping paper all over the floor and that crazy Christmas bell? To my bridesmaids, Elsa and Sarah. Wow, we've been through so much together. You guys have always been literally just one phone call or a text away. We have shared some great laughs, some tears, some joy, and pretty much all of our tears. We have definitely had our ups and downs, but through it all, I have always had the two of you. Whether it was standing up to our awful department heads, or kicking some unwelcome guests out of the pool, we have always definitely gotten our strength from one another. We have always stuck together, and I'm very lucky to have such amazing women in my life. Thank you so much. Your friendship really does mean the whole world to me. Last but not least, to the groomsmen. You guys are awesome. I cannot believe what a phenomenal job you guys did with the opening band. I had no idea that Egyptian boys could pull off such great things. Really, thank you guys so much, and for all the love and support that you have shown us throughout this whole thing. All right, I think that's all. I think it's time for Tamara. Thank you guys so much.